The Amazon rainforest, a vast emerald ocean spreading across South America. It is the largest rainforest on Earth. It's so big we call it the lungs of our planet. The Amazon breathes life into the world. It produces a huge amount of the oxygen we need to survive. This rainforest is a vital part of our planet's ecosystem. It regulates global weather patterns. It absorbs massive amounts of carbon dioxide. This helps to slow down climate change. The Amazon is a precious resource. We must protect it. But the Amazon is under threat. Deforestation, illegal logging and mining are destroying this precious ecosystem. We need to act now to save this vital part of our planet. The time for action is now. The Amazon is home to an incredible array of life. It's a place of wonder and beauty, but it's also a place of danger. Let's explore the Amazon, its beauty, and the very real threats it faces. The Amazon teems with life. Every corner of this rainforest is bursting with diversity. It's home to more species of plants and animals than any other place on Earth. Over 40,000 plant species thrive in the Amazon. Towering trees reach for the sunlight. Vivid orchids cling to their branches. The forest floor is a carpet of ferns and fungi. The Amazon's animal life is just as diverse. Millions of insect species buzz through the air. Jaguars stalk through the undergrowth. Monkeys swing through the canopy. The Amazon is a cacophony of sound and a kaleidoscope of color. This incredible biodiversity is a testament to the power of nature. The Amazon is a living, breathing library of genetic information. We must protect this treasure trove of life for future generations. The Amazon is a feast for the senses. The air is thick with humidity. The scent of damp earth and exotic flowers fills your nostrils. The rainforest hums with the sounds of life. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy. It creates a mosaic of light and shadow on the forest floor. The air vibrates with the calls of exotic birds. Howler monkeys roar their dominance. Insects chirp and click, creating a symphony of sound. The Amazon River, the lifeblood of the rainforest, flows through the heart of it all. It is a powerful force of nature. The river teems with fish, caiman and pink river dolphins. The Amazon is a place of incredible beauty and raw power. To truly experience the Amazon, you must immerse yourself in its embrace. Let its sights, sounds and smells wash over you. But always remember, danger lurks beneath the surface of this paradise. The Amazon's beauty is intoxicating, but danger lurks within its depths. This rainforest is home to some of the planet's most dangerous creatures. These animals are both fascinating and a reminder to treat the rainforest with respect. The jaguar, the apex predator of the Amazon, moves silently through the undergrowth. Its powerful jaws and sharp claws make it a formidable hunter. The anaconda, the world's largest snake, can grow to over 20 feet long. It lies in wait, ready to constrict its prey with deadly force. Piranhas with their razor-sharp teeth inhabit the murky waters. They are a threat to anything that enters their domain. Poison dart frogs with their vibrant colors warn of the deadly toxins in their skin. These creatures are a reminder that we are visitors in their world. We must tread carefully and respect the power of nature. Section 5. The Unseen Threats. The Amazon holds visible dangers, but unseen threats lurk beneath the surface. The rainforest is teeming with microscopic life. Some are beneficial, but others can pose serious risks. Unknown diseases carried by insects and other vectors can spread rapidly in the humid environment. Malaria, dengue fever, and yellow fever are just a few of the threats. Always be prepared with proper vaccinations and protective clothing. Flooding is another hazard. During the rainy season, rivers swell, inundating vast areas of the rainforest. This can make travel impossible and create breeding grounds for disease-carrying insects. Parasitic insects are a constant nuisance. They burrow under the skin, causing itching and discomfort. Ticks can transmit dangerous diseases. Always check your body thoroughly after venturing into the rainforest. Section 6. The Ravages of Deforestation. The Amazon is a place of incredible beauty and biodiversity, but it faces a grave threat: deforestation. Every minute, an area the size of several football fields is cut down or burned. This destruction is driven by logging, mining and agriculture. The consequences of deforestation are devastating. Trees, the lungs of our planet, are disappearing at an alarming rate. This releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, accelerating climate change. Biodiversity is under attack. Countless species are losing their habitats and facing extinction. Deforestation also disrupts the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem. This leads to soil erosion, flooding, and desertification. We are destroying one of the most important ecosystems on Earth for short-term gain. We must act now to stop this destruction. Section 7. Standing on the precipice. The Amazon rainforest, once a symbol of nature's resilience, stands on the precipice. The relentless assault from deforestation, climate change, and human exploitation threatens its very existence. The time for complacency is long gone. We must act now to protect this irreplaceable ecosystem. The consequences of inaction are dire. The Amazon plays a critical role in regulating global climate patterns. Its destruction would have catastrophic consequences for the entire planet. We must remember that the fate of the Amazon is intertwined with our own. Its destruction will not only result in the loss of countless species and a vital carbon sink, but also displace indigenous communities and exacerbate the global climate crisis. The future of the Amazon hangs in the balance. The choices we make today will determine its fate. Section 8, a global call to action. The Amazon rainforest needs our help. Now more than ever, we must unite to protect this global treasure. We need a global call to action, a collective effort to reverse the tide of destruction and safeguard the Amazon for generations to come. Governments must enact and enforce stricter environmental regulations. We need to hold corporations accountable for their role in deforestation. Sustainable practices in agriculture, logging and mining are essential. But it's not just about governments and corporations. Each one of us has a role to play. We must become conscious consumers, demanding products that don't contribute to deforestation. Section 9. Protecting our future. Protecting the Amazon is about more than just preserving its beauty and biodiversity. It's about protecting our own future. The Amazon plays a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns. Its destruction would have far-reaching consequences, impacting weather patterns, rainfall, and temperatures worldwide. The rainforest's ability to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is essential in the fight against climate change. Losing the Amazon would be like losing a vital organ, accelerating the pace of global warming and its devastating effects. We must remember that we are not separate from nature, but a part of it. The health of the planet is intrinsically linked to our own well-being. Protecting the Amazon is not just an act of altruism, but an act of self-preservation. Section 10. Hope for the Amazon. The future of the Amazon may seem bleak, but there is hope. People are mobilizing. Indigenous communities are fighting to protect their ancestral lands. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand and conserve the rainforest's biodiversity. Governments and organizations are implementing policies to combat deforestation and promote sustainable practices. There is a growing global awareness of the importance of the Amazon and the need to protect it. The challenges are immense, but the stakes are too high to give up. We must remain optimistic, persistent, and united in our efforts. The fate of the Amazon, and indeed the planet, depends on it. Together, we can be the voice for the voiceless, the guardians of this irreplaceable ecosystem. The time for action is now. Let's stand together and fight for the future of the Amazon.